Right, so I'm looking at the top of the trailer. Now we'll pop that last hive, green hive open and just have a peek in there, because it was a drone laying worker. Just put different gloves on. See, this one's gone. Just being wasped. So that's going to be full of wasps, that one. All these others are pretty strong. I've reduced the entrances so they can like defend against the wasps. Not sure, we'll have a look at these entrances, because I think you flip them upside down. And then they become like a wasp. Oh yeah, I see, and then you put them in that way. And that should be a big enough front yard. Do the same in this one. So what I'll do is I'll go through this one that's got wasps in it, and the supers I'll probably put on one of these other stronger hives. Because look at that, there's no bees there, that's just wasps. So I'd say that's a dead out now. This is a nice strong swarm, so they'll end up in there. Anyway, let's go up on the trailer and have a look. This one here, you see, it's packed. So anyway, I'll open this up and have a look, and probably remove the supers and put them on this one. We'll see what's going on. So wasp and wax moth took over this one. See the wax moth there, and the wasps. This one, as I say, when it come, it was a me and Victoria had a look through them. This one was a drone laying worker. Yeah, the wasp. Look, there you go. Look, there's one of the wax moth larvae. There, look. And they just destroy the bloody frames. So this hive will be a dead out. I'll get this super off and then I'll come back. Where major wax moth. And they've just destroyed it. All of that now. See, even that one. Little buggers. Them little black things are their eggs. So all of that wax down there, it'll have to be melted out. Wax moth and wasp destroy weak hives.